Hi there! I want to start by telling you about this very interesting tool, which I guess you can call a third hand. In this particular case, it is something that allows you to do your welding work more comfortably. It's made of a profile pipe, and what's cool is that it has this retractable element and a clamping screw. So it actually allows you to fix your things almost anywhere on the table. It's a stationary mechanism, and it looks like it's a great alternative to those perforated tables. As you can see, you can easily swing it back to the wall. It looks like an awesome solution to me, and it feels like a lot of people could be interested in it. Now you can find a lot of drill holders here on YouTube, but this particular model is probably the best example of what I've seen so far. It kind of stands out because it's got that little table, which you can obviously use in a lot of different ways. The only thing I would add is some kind of a steering angle mod. It'll be a lot more comfortable to work with it that way. If you don't happen to have a fully functional bench, then this thing is a way to go. Now here's an interesting way you can do bonding coupling. So what you'll need is a couple of angles with a circumference of your preference connected with a pin and a couple of clamps. So you take those clamps and you put the pieces together. Then you just twist those nuts a little to regulate the clamping force. I think a lot of you guys used to work with string beacons at one point or another, or maybe you heard about them at least. Well, I happen to find an interesting type of holders for those. You can adjust the height of them, and you can actually pull the strings with another. So you put the holders to the wall, and after that you adjust them. Then you just put some putty on the string and it's done. I never used this method myself, but if any of you guys had a chance to work with this thing, please leave your comments, because I was actually about to try it myself. Now here's an interesting pipe connection method. It works good if you do the coupling. In this case, the pipe is used as a chimney. So you just take a steel plate and weld it to a pipe. Pretty easy. Now, perhaps some of you may be interested in these clamps. These are made of wood and the pieces are glued together. So you chuck it with a bolt and a nut. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you today. You'll find all the links to full videos down below. Also check out these two videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.